Check, microphone check. Welcome back to Hello Traders. It's a good evening in Uganda, and welcome to the Brandon FX Traders, where I explain my setups and everything, how I execute my trades as elite liquidity inducement theorem trader every day. So today I took 4 trades. As you can see here, I took this trade, this, that. So I'll be explaining how I took these trades, what was my analysis, and where I got stopped out and everything. So today I got stopped out. The reason why I got stopped out was because of the consumer price index news. Yeah, I had put my stop loss. It was a tight stop loss. That's why I was stopped out very early, and the trade continued in my direction. But that's trading. It's a loss trade anyway. So this was. Let me show you. And uh, the CPI, as you can see, the CPI at 3:30 p.m. It did stop me out, and I'll show you my trades, entries, and everything. So let's go to the trading view. So this was GBP USD, the British pound, and the US dollar. So my entry was a short position. It was a short position here after London Open, as you can see, and my stop loss was a tight one. It was aiming for this high, as you can see there, and then my aim was the Asian low. So this was my trade. It first gave me some profit, as you can see here. And then after, due to the consumer price index news, I was stopped out, as you can see, on this week up here during this was the New York Open, where the news was released, and I was stopped out really badly. But then my trade continued. So the mistake I did was I didn't see that the Asian high, the previous Asian high was intact. So the trade was supposed to, my stop loss was supposed to be up here. It was going to be a risky trade, losing much than I always plan. So I kept my plan as usual, and did what and did my left my trade as I plan it always. Yeah, that was the GBP USD stop out, which was pretty bad. I took the trade from here, was aiming for here, put my stop loss up here, as you can see. So this was I was stopped out really badly. So it was a good trade. So another trade where I was stopped out was the AUD USD. AUD USD, the AUD USD, here it is. So it was the same sheet. So I didn't the previous Asian high was intact. So my stop loss wasn't supposed to be tight, and I was stopped out. Due to that, I was supposed to put my stop loss here, pull back due to the news that always does the pullback to stop out the ones with tight stop losses, and then it continues in the direction as always. As Enigma moves price action, So those were the trades where I was stopped out, and then the trades where I did what it took profit was the USD chief and the Euro USD. As you can see, USD chief and the Euro USD. So let's look for USD chief. Forgive my network. My network is very poor. It was a very good trade. So the trade didn't stop me out, though it did the pullback during the Asia Open, as you can see here. It didn't did stop me out because the Asia low had already been taken out by price, so price wasn't supposed to move very low, taking me out. So it did move some good pips, as you can see. These are like a very good movement of price. We won't see this in any time soon again. It was a very good trade on the USD chief. And then another trade was on the Euro USD. Euro USD, it was a sell trade. As you can see, my stop loss was at the tanked Asian high, and price blew the Asia low, the previous Asia low, which was very fantastic. And I took my profit very less risky and everything. So those were my trades. Thank you for listening in on Brandon FX. Yeah, hope to catch you very soon. And subscribe to my YouTube channel, Brandon FX, to get my analysis. Those who want to learn how I get my setups, how I get my entries, and everything. It's on my YouTube channel. I will always post a video. Just subscribe, inbox me on Brandon FX, my Instagram. Yeah, and we shall get going. Thank you for listening in. Peace out.